lumabas ako, parang nabigla, natulala. But it's okay, I fully understand. I understand. Alam kong hindi nyo inaasahan na ganito ako maganda sa personal. Diba? Pag nakatalikod ka, alam mo, heart evangelista, diba? Pagharap, cheese, escudero. Joke lang ha, joke lang. Komedyante ako. Kapunta kayo, nakakalimutan nyo yun. Komedyante. Oh! Diyos ko! May isa pang blandina. Did you get the memo? Only one blonde is allowed in the room today. Diyos ko. Kausapin nga natin ito. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Molly Palma from Samar, and I live here in Birmingham.
Oh. How long have you been living here in Birmingham?
I live here for the last 24 years.
24 years ka na dito, pero parang hirap ka pa rin mag-English. Okay na yun. Diba? Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon nag-English kayo, lalo na kung kasama mo puro mga Pilipino din, mga taga-Samar din. Diba what do you do here in Birmingham? What is the nature of your existence?
I'm a registered nurse at the Queen of the Royal Miss King Queen Maker.
Beauty queen maker? Beauty? Nagtitrain ka namang beauty queen? Eh, ba't oily ka? Dapat fresh yung mga beauty queen. No, it's okay. But I really appreciate your effort of, looking this fabulous today. We appreciate, I can feel that you are very excited to see all these stars from ABS-CBN. Are you having a great time so far?
Yes, so far, I'm very happy that I finally met you. Yeah, actually, I have a common friend, Michael Cinco sa Paloma.
Oh yeah, Michael Cinco? Is he your friend? Really? Why? Charot ang taray. Okay, nice to meet you. Yung mga Pilipino pala dito sa Birmingham, amoy araw din.